This video I'll be showing you how to add two different Excel sheets for your data visualization in Tableau. For example, if you have two different worksheets and you want to use them to plot them, but you have separate data in there, what you would do, so you go into, you have opened my Tableau desktop icon, and I will just click on Excel to add the first data source. Now I will pick the sample EU because that's my first file that contains information I need. Now when I click that, it's going to open the interface for me to show me that it's been added. Now this is the name of the file, the sample store, EU store, and these are the tables or the sheets within that Excel worksheets, but in Tableau it's referred to as tables. Now sheet 1 is open by default, and I am good to go to start creating my visualization. You can see this red exclamation mark. It just denotes that I do not have any table selected into the canvas. So when I drag and drop other table, I'm telling Tableau that I'll be using this worksheet for my visualization. So now the exclamation is gone, and also I can create as many relationships as I want with other tables. Please check the other video that I made on how to create joins and relationship with between two tables within a worksheet. Now this is the first worksheet I need for my visualization, but however I need another data source and it's another Excel sheet. So I'll come in here and click this drop down arrow. So I want to add, sorry, not on my table because this is a table level, but this is the database level. Now I'm going to click on this data source. I'm going to say new data source. I'm going to click on that. It opens the same window it opened earlier. I'm going to click Microsoft Excel, and also it redirects me to the location on my file. Now I've selected the other file and it shows me here that it's been added. But when I get to my worksheet, I'm expected to see two icons. You can see sample EU store is my primary data source, and the other one, which I just added, is a second with the same exclamation mark. So I go to the data source and drag whatever sheet or table I need to use, and when I go back, the exclamation disappears. So I have not created any relationship or joins between these data sources. They are independent. In fact, they do not have common tables or common fields within the tables. If I decide to create one, it's going to give me an error, or it's going to be broken. So what I would do if I want to use these two data sources is to just maneuver. If I need a field, like for example a customer ID field, I can drag and drop. And if I want to create another visualization, which is this one, I can just put customer name. Now I've used two different data sources with different names, and I want to point you to the icons here. We have the blue one and the orange icon. So this blue shows that this is my primary data source and this is secondary. So the first one that came in is a primary, and the secondary table I'm using is this. However, there is no link between these two tables. So you can see the link icons here shows that there is no relationship or joins between these two tables. If I want there to be a relationship between this table for the purpose of, some calculations and some blending, I can see that these two have been linked because there are common fields in there, and that's why it's not giving an error. Peradventure there is no common fields in there, it's going to give me a warning that there is no relationship and the link is broken. So I do not have the error because the link has been affected onto field names or onto columns. So you can just keep on switching and selecting the fields you want as per the visualization you want to create. So that's it.